I am so excited about Easter this year. This is the time when we can best communicate the message of Jesus Christ to our friends, family, and neighbors. Jesus was God's Son. He came and died for us, and He rose again. That's so you and I can have abundant life right here and now and eternal life in the world to come. We will have a service at 9 a.m. We will have a service at 11 a.m. You can take your pick on April the 8th, Easter Sunday. Bring your family, bring your friends, bring your neighbors, fill a pew. That's right, I want you to fill a pew on Easter Sunday. The music will be simply incredible, and the message will give hope to all of us. So join me at Hamilton Christian Center, 9 a.m. or 11 a.m. on Easter Sunday. Remember, one encounter with Jesus can change everything forever.